Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove duplicate contacts in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts. Browse your contact list or use the search feature to locate duplicate entries. In many cases, GetResponse automatically prevents duplicate email addresses from being added to the same contact list. However, if duplicate contacts exist across different lists or through imported data, you may want to review them manually. Compare the contact details to identify duplicate records. Select the duplicate contact you no longer need, click the Actions button and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Repeat this process for any remaining duplicate contacts. Keeping your contact list clean helps improve organization, prevents sending duplicate emails, and makes your email marketing more effective. It's also a good idea to review your import settings before uploading new contacts to avoid creating duplicates in the future. That's it. You've successfully removed duplicate contacts in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.